So you want to remove the background from around an image so you get an image like this and you make it more like this. But maybe you don't have Canva Pro. Let's find the free ways that you can remove a background in Canva without paying a cent. Hi, and welcome to a new tutorial. My name is Jacqui, and I'm a graphic designer who is obsessed with helping business owners use Canva and branding strategically to grow their businesses. And in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can remove backgrounds for free. Now, caveat, if you have the money for Canva Pro, maybe you have a business and you need to invest in a design platform because you're using it quite regularly, I would really recommend just upgrading to get Canva Pro. The amount of time it's going to save you in searching for free elements or finding the right fonts or trying to work around using the background remover. There is a lot of features in Canva Pro that are so worthwhile. And if you're a business, then we have business expenses, and one of those could be Canva Pro. But if you don't, I'm going to show you a workaround today. So for those of you who do have Canva Pro, I'm going to show you this quickly first. So all you have to do is insert an image into Canva, click on the image, and then select background remover at the top here. And Canva is going to look at that image and remove the background in literally seconds. It's really incredible. And I can tell you from a lot of times using this that it's quite accurate. And whenever it's not accurate, all I need to do is click on this background remover after it's already removed the background. And I can have some options to toggle to erase or restore parts of that image. So I could choose to restore maybe this color in underneath the ground here and paint it back, or I could choose to erase my foot just like so, and everything I can kind of arrange it and fix it however I need to. Now, if you don't have Canva Pro, there are free workarounds. They used to be really tricky, but since Canva has introduced apps, we now have some options for us. So I want you to first open your image, and then instead of clicking background remover up here, you're going to toggle across to the left-hand side panel. On the left-hand side panel, we have a whole lot of options, but you'll see an apps option kind of midway down here. And inside this apps section is a ton of different apps. Some are free, some are paid to do things inside Canva. These are sometimes Canva created apps, and sometimes these are third-party apps. Most of the time they're third-party apps. And so that's why we have background remover. So if I go to the top of this panel here and go to search, I can type in background remover, and it's going to bring up some apps that do just that. Now, I've had a bit of a play, and not all of these are amazing. Firstly, I would not recommend using this one here, the background eraser one. It was rubbish. You can see it half removed my hand. It made my skin tone gray. There's a bit of a glow around the whole thing. I would not recommend using that app unless none of the other apps are working for you. One that I would recommend using, if I head it back across to apps now, is this background cleaner one, the one with a little calculator on it. If I click on that while I've got my image selected, it's going to be able to pick up this image and I can choose to erase the background. The only downside with this one is that it only gives you 10 credits per day. So if you're going to do a wild amount of background removing, like you're doing like a photo shoot and you need to remove all the backgrounds, it either might be worth getting Canva Pro because that's going to save you so much time that you can then invest back into your business and make more money from, or finding a different app to do this. But for this one here, I'm finding this to be quite versatile and good working. So I'm going to press erase background while I've got that image selected, and it's going to have a little load over here, have a little think, and it's going to remove the background from my image. So what that's done is this one here, and this looks far, far better than the other alternative. It's picked up pretty good around me here. It's not as perfect as the Canva Pro version. You see it, the Canva Pro version, it's really quite good. It picks up every single tiny little sequin here, and it is a little bit better. It's got a little bit of a glitch here around my thumb, but other than that, it's looking pretty good. Whereas this background remover one is a little bit less exact, but it's still pretty good and miles ahead of the other version of the app we tried earlier. So going back to this one here with the background cleaner with the calculator, that looks pretty good. And I can then click on the background and I can change this to anything at all. Say I changed it to purple, and it looks really fab. It looks really crisp and clean. Like I mentioned, there are some other apps here. They're not all the same. Some of them require you, like the background eraser one, it requires you to upload a file first and then download that edit. It means you have to download your photo from Canva, re-upload it back in here, and then use the background removal rather than just clicking on it and removing the background. And if this calculator one doesn't work for you, feel free to try out some of the others. This background removal one looked like it would work, but for me, it failed to connect to the server. But feel free to give this one a whirl because it might have just been an error on my end. This is probably going to have been one of my shortest tutorials ever. Usually I'm going a lot more in depth around design theory and strategy to make sure that your designs are really performing, not just looking pretty, not just making a pretty Instagram grid, but actually performing so that your business can grow and make sales and not be a time suck for you as you make graphics for your business to market it. Make sure you hit subscribe, and if you liked this video, hit like so that I know to make more tutorials just like this one. And by the way, if you do want to try Canva Pro, I have an affiliate link below if that would tickle your fancy. All right, I'll see you next time. Bye.